Hey everybody, welcome back to Sammy Joe Did You Know? Today's tech tip video is about Google's autofill menu, which is kind of awesome. Firefox does this, but I'll have to do a separate video on that because I don't have enough time today. But Google's will save your passwords for you, your payment information, or address. Let me show you how to work with them. From your Google Chrome browser, you're going to the three little buttons at the top. You're going to click on Settings down at the bottom, and then on the left-hand side, you're going to have a menu that pops up. Go ahead and click on your autofill menu. From here, you can work in your password manager. You can also work in your payment information and your addresses. This saves you a lot of time for whether you're filling out documents or anything of that nature. Anytime you enter an address, it's going to give you different options. The payment information I never save. I always decline, just because you shouldn't have any type of payment information saved on your computer. The password manager is super neat. Once you click to open the password manager, it's going to give you a list of every website that you have a password saved on. You can view that password so that you can maybe enter it into your cell phone, or let's say that you forgot the actual combination of that password, simply by clicking on the icon and entering the password for your computer. Just a simple tip to maybe help you fill out some things easier, or if you forget a password, Google's very helpful with that. As always, stay tuned for more Sammy Joe Did You Know? I'll see you guys next week.